It's an idea with Jurassic Park-level ambitions, cloning a mummified 40,000-year-old horse to bring the extinct species back to life. Many experts are highly skeptical, to put it lightly. And at the center of the controversy is Woo-suk Hwang, a researcher who was part of a major scientific fraud scandal about cloning a decade ago. The horse belonged to a species known as Equus leonensis, or Lena horse. It shares more in common with the ancient wild Yukon horses of North America than it does with the current horses that occupy this bitterly cold region, which are known as Yakutian horses and have been domesticated since the 13th century. Now things have gotten truly odd. A group of Russian and South Korean scientists think that can clone it. If we find only one live cell, we can clone this ancient horse, says Woo-suk Hwang, one of the South Korean scientists involved, to the Siberian Times. We can multiply it and get as many embryos as we need. If Hwang's name sounds familiar, it's because he has a curious history with cloning claims. A veterinarian by trade who first gained acclaim for cloning pets in the 90s, Hwang rose to scientific stardom in 2004 when he and his colleagues claimed to have created the world's first cloned human embryos, and furthermore, that they had extracted stem cells from them. Cloning a modern-day creature, say, a coyote, is possible because the coyote's DNA is fully intact. That's simply not the case with Ice Age DNA. It's typically been degraded into tens of millions of pieces, Love Dallin, a professor of evolutionary genetics at the Swedish Museum of Natural History in Stockholm, tells Live Science. Similar challenges would exist with trying to clone a woolly mammoth or other extinct species. Hwang says he is undeterred. Speaking to the Siberian Times, he says, if we manage to clone the horse, it will be the first step to cloning the mammoth. The odds are long, but not impossible. Scientists concede that if Hwang and his team were able to find enough workable DNA from the ancient foal, then cloning it stands a chance at being scientifically feasible. Considering Hwang's history with bold claims, though, they're not holding their breath. Source: Live Science. You might also like